Handshake Bluebook Ignou Master of Social Work, MSW. Previous year solved papers. Powered by EncycloHub, India's most trusted Ignou companion. Preparing for the Ignou MSW course and need help cracking the exam? Worried about how to write perfect answers for theory and fieldwork-based questions? EncycloHub brings you expert-solved previous year question papers to boost your confidence and score better in your Ignou exams. Magnifying glass tilted left, what you'll get. White heavy checkmark 5 to 7 years of previous year question papers with detailed solutions. White heavy checkmark topic-wise, easy to understand answers. White heavy checkmark covers all major subjects. Origin and development of social work. Social work intervention. Social work practicum. Social policy and legislation. Research methods in social work. Community organization and social action. Field work journal and Viva guidance. Direct hit. Why EncycloHub? Heavy checkmark saves you time and reduces stress. Heavy checkmark prepared by experienced educators and Ignou toppers. Heavy checkmark 100% syllabus covered. Heavy checkmark digital PDF format. Study anytime, anywhere. Heavy checkmark budget-friendly and student-oriented. Mobile phone with arrow to order. Message us on WhatsApp at your contact number. Or DM us on Instagram at EncycloHub with MSW solved papers. Graduation cap, smart preparation equals great results. Choose EncycloHub, where Ignou learners excel.